In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a board in Miro. Embedding a board can be incredibly useful when you want to share your work across different platforms or with your team members who might be collaborating remotely. So, let's dive in and make this process smooth and easy for you. To start, you'll want to ensure you have your desired board open in Miro. Navigating around Miro is generally intuitive, but if you're new, take a little time to familiarize yourself with its features. Once on the board you want to work with, look to the top right corner and find the Export This Board option. This is where the magic begins. Clicking, this will open up a menu that offers different export options. Next, you'll want to click on Embed. This action will guide you to a section specifically designed for embedding purposes. Embedding makes it easy to seamlessly integrate your board into websites, blogs, or even other documents. It's perfect for those who need to display their visual ideas in places outside of Miro itself. Now, you will notice a drop-down trigger. Click on this and a list of options will appear. These options might look a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry. What you are looking for is the code that will allow you to embed the board wherever you need it. This dropdown is where you'll select how you want to format your embed code before copying it to use on another platform. Once you're ready, click on the Copy Code option. This will automatically copy the necessary embed code to your clipboard. This code is crucial. It allows you to paste and display your board exactly as it is in Miro onto another web platform. Remember, keeping this code handy is important if you plan on embedding the board in multiple places. And there you have it. You've successfully managed to embed your Miro board, opening up a world of possibilities for sharing and collaboration. Whether you're building a presentation, creating a report, or simply sharing your ideas with a team, embedding your board can enhance communication and streamline your workflow. I hope this guide has made the process easier for you, and you feel equipped to share your boards with ease. Don't forget to check your platform's requirements for embedding content, as they can vary and might require some adjustments to the code. Be sure to like and subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks in the future. Until next time, happy collaborating!